wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to CY Fashion and Craft. In this tutorial I'll be sharing with us how to make Ruffles hairband. Okay, so the materials we need our satin, our tape roll, our scissors, we need our elastic. I'll cut out the measurements that I need. So here I have for the wideness I have 8 inches. If you want your own to be high, you can increase it by 10 inches. It depends on how you want, but here I'm making use of 8 inches by 58 inches. If you have the material that is up to 60, you can use 60, but mine is 58, so I'll be making use of the 58. I also have this one. I have 16 inches by 3.5, I think. Yeah, 3.5. Then I have another one, 14 inches by 2 inches. So I also have my elastic. The measurement I have 9.5 inches. So the next thing I will do, I will take this to my sewing machine. Then I will fold it into 2 this way. I will sew with the right side facing each other. Then I will sew the wrong side. I'll repeat the same thing with this one. I'll fold it and I will sew. I'm not going to touch this one. I'm done sewing it. So the next thing I will do, you can actually do this before you sew it. I'm going to be putting the 2 ends together like this, the 2. Then I'll mark 4 inches, or you can use 6, but I'm using 4. Then I'm going to make a slant this way. Then I will take it back to my sewing machine. I will sew it, leaving a little space that I will use and turn it. So I've sewn it. I've sewn the 2 sides, leaving the opening where I will turn it inside out like this. And I've also sewn this one, so I'll go ahead and turn it inside out. So I've turned it inside out. I've turned the right side inside out. I've also done the same thing. Now I'm going to be inserting this one inside. I'm going to be inserting my elastic inside this one. So I'll bring it out. I'm going to use my office pin to hold it down so that it won't go back inside. Then I make sure that this sewn part is at the center part. So I'm going to repeat the same thing with these pieces. I'm going to fold it like this. I'll also use my office pin I'll use my pin to put it inside this one. Then I'll bring it out from this side. So I'm also going to repeat the same thing. I'll use my office pin to hold this place so that it won't go inside. So I'll continue doing that. So I've also bring this one out from this side. I also repeat the same thing. Then I'll arrange my ruffles. So here is your ruffles. Now I will get this one. I'm going to be placing them like this. So I'm going to be placing this like this. I will fold. I'll make sure I use this to cover up like this. And I'm going to be pinning it. I'll take it to my machine and I will sew here. So I'm done sewing it. I'm going to cut this place out. Then when you flip it over, you have something like this. So I'll repeat the same thing with this one. So how I achieved that, I actually cut a bit. I actually cut this pencil side because it didn't give me what I want. So I trimmed this place off. Then I will get this one. I will place it like this. Then I will use this one and go like this. So I used it to, this is what I did. So I will take it to my sewing machine and I will sew here. So I'm done sewing it. I also trim this place out. So when I turn it, I will also have something like this. This is the inside and this is the front side. So when you now finish, although our hairband is ready, I will now adjust my ruffles, making sure that this line is at the back side. So our ruffles is ready. Thank you so much for watching. So here is your ruffles. Use your hand to adjust it to your taste. You can use pearls, you can use anything to decorate it. Okay.